There's one set for stun. Greetings, Saber fans. It's your old pal Megtooth Sith.
But we had a lot of fun last week looking at this blaster. And, you know, while I'm still showing it off here, the folding stock, which is awesome. Awesome model by Brian Roller here. You know, I kind of wanted to have be able to sit down and answer any questions y'all have about the blaster. You know, last week when I was wearing the armor, it wasn't so easy. So join me tomorrow night, which is going to be Tuesday, August 1st at 8:30 p.m. for Tuesday Live. And let's do the final episode about this awesome Profi E11 Stormtrooper blaster and answer questions about that, skin cancer, colonoscopies, Star Wars, lightsabers, Profi board, Profi 3.9, Crucible, whatever y'all want to talk about. Let's join in. I'm not going to have any guests tomorrow night, and hopefully we'll get back to the guests the following week. Now, maybe a little bit late tomorrow night because I do have some work crap that's interfering, but, you know, I'm going to do my best to be there on time. Thank you, everybody, and hopefully I'm going to run into you guys tomorrow night.
Self-resetting, so the trigger resets. This thing also has an OLED screen, which let me get you in a position where you can see the OLED screen better, because, you know. And, you know, I know that I taught class today at the community college, and I know some of my students may be on, you know, to see how geeky I really am. Well, now you got it. You see how geeky I really am. But there's the OLED screen, which I'm going to try to put on there. I know it's not going to show it really well, but these are like Imperial Cogs as a battery meter right now. But then, you know, when you switch presets, it's this little Stormtrooper logo there. And on the next one, it's like a Star Wars logo that recedes into the background. Thank you, everybody, for watching, as usual. I really appreciate y'all tuning in on my channel. And as always,